Are you happy with your current job and financial status? Or have you been searching for a plan B? Do you really have a chance of achieving your dreams? Are you going to need a new opportunity to make it happen? Well, if you think you deserve more in life, then VYVO's opportunity is definitely for you. What makes VYVO's opportunity truly disruptive and extremely successful is simple. The fastest growing markets worldwide, great products with real market demand, an easy customer referral program that is completely free to join, a lucrative compensation plan, the most exciting instant bonuses in the industry. Everyone knows how technology has been changing the world and everything around us. And anybody can see the impact of technology has been drastically improving health and wellness, becoming the next big thing. Right now, new markets are branching out and exploring in the fields of real-time monitoring and personalized healthcare. And with VYVO, for the first time, this incredible market is not just a privileged business area for a few big companies, but it becomes wide open for business for everybody. VYVO lets their satisfied and loyal customers spread the word, and in exchange, VYVO shares its profits with their customers. Yes, you heard that right. VYVO is an innovative company that shares its profits with its customers through the Customer Referral Program. The program is not only lucrative and straightforward, but it is also 100% free to join. Every customer that purchases a product from VYVO can become a VYVO member for free and receive a personal replicated website and store. When you join, you register a username with the system, and this username is used to create your personal web link. When you share this personal web link with others, VYVO will pay you an instant 10% of any sale generated. That's right, VYVO will pay this 10% instant retail bonus immediately directly into your debit card, so you can have it after just a few minutes. That means, if a customer you referred purchases any product, say for a total amount of $300, VYVO will pay you $30 in instant referral commission. How's that for exciting? However, this is just one of the many bonuses available in the wonderful VYVO Smart Pay plan. In fact, it gets even better when you grow your team. Because as a loyal customer, VYVO will pay you when your customers refer other customers, and keeps doing that when those customers refer other customers as well. That's just amazing. This will give you the opportunity to succeed by making others succeed. Now that's teamwork and a great way to do business. At VYVO, it's not just about the earning potential, but also about lifestyle changes. With us, you will experience the most exciting holidays, business trips, and extraordinary adventures you always dreamed of. You choose what's best for you. You can have a chance of making some additional income from products you love. Or you could get to start an entirely new career that may lead you to completely change and improve your life. With VYVO, your dreams are at your reach. All you must do is reach out. So what are you waiting for? Join the VYVO Smart family now.